What's up everybody, Raul back with another video. I hope all you're doing good out there. I hope all your renovations are going just as planned. I just want to let you guys know I made the push and I'm doing another renovation on my backyard. Take a look. Yep. That's exactly where I'm at right now. So stay tuned for the updates. Peace. So this is the other section of my yard. I'm only going to do a semi-renovation, which is going to be over there that I showed you right now. This whole side of the yard, I'm basically going to just take this down and then basically have this fill in, but I'm going to use leftover seed that I have to basically redo that other section over there. And then of course I'm not too worried about the Bermuda because there's still a lot that's in that dirt that I know will come back, so I will be seeding over there just with Kentucky bluegrass, and my Bermuda will pretty much come back. If not, I will take plugs from here because it was here with the house, very old, and I did mix in Kentucky bluegrass. This is about, I would say, going on a little bit close to 4 years almost. It is over 3.5 years of having Kentucky bluegrass and Bermuda, and I love it. So I'm gonna redo that side only because I am doing the curbing, which is like the mowing strip around the yard. And basically that section of the yard where my trees are was basically sitting a lot higher. I'll try to post a picture here of how much higher it was sitting. If not, it was sitting really high. That's why you've seen the orange string around the yard, just basically leveling out, seeing where I need to take it down before I start trenching and putting in the plywood, so that way I could start laying the cement. But yeah, I just want to add that in there to let you guys know it's going to be a semi-renovation, not a full renovation. But I will be taking this down all the way and then basically probably reseeding the whole area with the Kentucky bluegrass, and then letting the Bermuda start coming back. If not, it'll probably go to sleep for a while. I don't know what our weather's gonna be like this coming season, but it is still hot. This weekend coming up is gonna be about 108, so we'll see how it goes there. All right everybody, I hope you stay tuned, and if you're not subscribed already, subscribe and you'll see more on this process. All right everybody, good luck out there on the lawn, and like always, keep mowing and growing, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.